In this video, we're going to talk about 3.5 Objective 3, where we find higher order derivatives of functions involving trigonometric expressions. Let's go ahead and get started. To find the second derivative, which is what we're going to be doing each time, we're going to find the first derivative and then find the derivative of the first derivative. The first derivative here of sine x plus cosine x is cosine x minus sine x, and the derivative of that is a negative sine x minus cosine x. Derivative of secant is secant x tangent x. And then we're going to use the product rule. So the derivative of secant is secant x tangent x. Leave that tangent alone, plus leave the secant alone. Derivative of that tangent is another 2 secants. So we have secant cubed x plus secant x tangent x. Derivative of 14x is 14 times sine x plus, leave the 14x alone, differentiate sine to get cosine. Now differentiate this. Combine my like terms. Derivative of x to the fourth, leaving sine alone, plus leave x to the fourth alone, differentiate sine. Now we differentiate this part, leave this alone, and then leave this alone, and differentiate this, and then differentiate this, and leave that alone, and then finally leave this alone and differentiate this, and combine our like terms. I'm not going to try and write that in that box. Derivative of tangent is secant squared. I'm going to use the power rule with the chain rule. So that's going to be 2 secant x times the derivative of secant is secant tangent. So that's 2 secant squared tangent. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make this into 1/2 sine 2x because it is. And then first derivative is going to be cosine of 2x. And then second derivative is going to be a negative 2 sine of 2x. If you want to change that into sines and cosines again, that's going to be a negative 4 sine of x cosine of x. And we're done. So that's it for this video. See you next time for 3.5 Objective 4, where we find limits involving trigonometric functions. See you for the next video.